Hi, my name is Gary. Today we're going to be talking about the materials you will receive in your kitchen Kompact Touch Up Kit for DWhite. One of the materials will be the Touch Up pen. You'll also receive the applicator, as well as the actual wax stick used for filling in dents and scratches. And then we'll have the pad used for cleaning up around the repair or for any rough areas you may find on the door. Okay, in this scenario, we're going to address a scratch. If the scratch is purely a surface scratch where it hasn't broken the coating, the easy fix is to take the pen and apply the color. But in this case, we've actually broken through the coating. So you could, and at this point, come back with the stick and actually feel the scratch. And then we would just simply clean up around it. And then we would take the rag, or you could use a paper towel, whatever you have at your disposal, and clean up around it. Okay, in this example, we're going to address if you have a gouge, something that is actually pretty aggressive, it's broken through the coating. And what I would do in that case is take the pen, and I would pre-color it. That will give you a little bit of foundation color. Once you've allowed the pen to dry, then you could come back with the wax stick to actually do the filling of the defect. And you want to push that down in there so it does do the filling. You take the applicator and then you would just clean up around the repair. And then you could take a cloth, get the excess material off. In this instance, we're going to be demonstrating the repair of an open joint. In this case, what we're going to use is the wax stick. We need to fill that. You have two ways you could go about this. You could use it very much like a crayon and just fill the open joint. Or in combination with, you could take the applicator and apply it with the applicator. What that's going to do is actually force it down into the crack. And then once you've completed that, you would simply clean up around your repair. And lastly, I wanted to make mention of the fact we have a white aerosol spray. This is used to protect the repairs that you completed. What you would do is make sure that you shake it thoroughly, and you don't want to be too close. Most people make the mistake they want to get too close, and what it does, it creates a run. You want to be back 8 to 10 inches, and less is more. A fine mist coat that will die down, you'll never know it was there, and that will protect the repair.